Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Apollo and immediately choose your target profile. This saves hours later. Begin by confirming your account credits and verifying email so actions sync. Next, build a precise ICP: industry, revenue band, team size, and geographic radius. Once done, translate that ICP into Apollo filters, roles, keywords, text signals, and employee count. This focused start increases accuracy and lowers noise, so you catch decision makers instead of generic contacts. You now run the filtered search and scan sample results to validate fit. Tweak filters if too broad or narrow. After your sample looks right, bulk select relevant contacts and add them to a clean list named for the campaign. Once the list is compiled, use Apollo's verification column and activity signals to drop low-quality entries. Prioritize contacts with verified emails and recent company changes. Make sure to export a small sample for CRM testing before the full import. You finish by authoring a concise sequence: opening value email, a brief follow-up, a call reminder, and a LinkedIn nudge. Personalize with tokens and a short custom line explaining why you're reaching out. Set a measured cadence and enable reply detection so threads stop automations. Then run an /B subject test on a small subset. If deliverability or response is low, re-verify addresses, slow the send rate, and check your domain authentication to resolve bounce or spam issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.